Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain do not pay app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started about do not pay app. So in 2025, do not pay is a legal automation app that helps users fight parking tickets, cancel subscriptions, get refunds, and generate virtual credit card to avoid unwanted charges. It's designed as a robot lawyer for the people, offering over 100 legal tools in a single dashboard. For basic customer rights issues and quick document generation, the app can save time and effort, especially for recurring billing disputes or trial cancellation. However, there are growing concerns about the platform. Many users report unexpected charges, difficulty canceling subscriptions, and poor customer support. The app also faced legal action in 2025, including a fine from the FTC for misleading claims about its AI legal abilities. And here's the final intake. Do not pay is worth it for simple, low-risk tasks like refund requests or trial card generation, but don't rely on it for serious legal matters, and be cautioned, the subscription models can be a little bit annoying. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.